हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपको प्रोनाउन तो अंडरस्टूड हो ही गया होगा. Since we have already discussed some kinds of pronouns in previous video, so today we are going to discuss some other pronouns. Let's see to the next slide. Reflexive pronoun. Look at the words herself, itself and themselves. Here these words reflect to the words Sneha, the horse and they respectively. So, the students, the words which reflect to the subject is called reflexive pronoun. In other words, a reflexive pronoun is used when the object of a sentence is the same as the subject. They end in self or selves. Example, myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, themselves, etc. Now see the examples 1, 2 and 3. There are some words in red color. These words show unknown person to whom the speaker does not know. So, we can say that the words which do not refer to a particular person, place or thing are called indefinite pronouns. Example, everybody, somebody, nobody, something, everything, nothing, few, little, many, few, etc. Now students, let's see the next pronoun. Distributive pronoun. Students, as you are seeing these three examples, there are words each in first sentence, either in the second sentence and neither in the third sentence. Show the student pen and newspaper separately, not collectively. Therefore, the word which describes members of a group separately, not collectively, is called distributive pronoun. Example, every, each, etc. Now we come to reciprocal pronoun. As in these four examples, there are some words in red color. These words show the mutual love, support, fighting and talking between or among dog and cat, teachers, boys and Tina, Mary, respectively. In this way, we can say that reciprocal pronoun is used to express mutual action or relationship. Always remember that each other is used for two persons, while one another is used for more than two persons. Now let's come to the last kind of pronoun, relative pronoun. Since it is more obvious from the word relative about that, it makes relation. See the words whom, whose in these examples. They join part of sentences or sentences and replace nouns. We can say that a pronoun which connects phrase or sentence to noun or pronoun and replaces person, place or thing is a relative pronoun. Students, here are some important uses of relative pronoun. What relates to things? Who relates to people? Whom relates to people? Which relates to animal and objects? That relates to people, animal and things. And whose refers to possession. Now students, let's see what we have learned from the content. Question number 1 is, Jenny hurted dash when she fell off the swing. Now students, you have to fill the suitable word given in the options below. The options are themselves, herself, himself or myself. Correct option is herself. Next is, I don't know dash with the blood group O positive. Now options are few, much, some or anyone. Correct option is anyone. Third is, my uncle applied for a job dash was advertised last month? Options are who, which, where, or none of the above. Correct option is which. Fourth is I am hungry, I would like to dash. Now students, again you have to complete the sentence by choosing the correct options given below. Your options are nothing, something, anything, or none of the above. Correct option is something. Fifth is a thermometer is an instrument dash measures temperature. The options are who, which, whose, or whom. The correct option that will fill this blank is which. Students, now we come to practice time. Now you can see that two questions are given to you for your homework. So you have to attempt all these exercises by your own. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks with the correct pronouns. Now students, as you can see that two pronouns are given for each sentence. So you don't have to fill the both words. You have to choose any one suitable word to fill in the blanks. Question number 2 is do the exercises of relative, reflexive, indefinite pronouns from your book New Grammar Plus. So students, I hope that you have understood all the things taught in this content. Till then, keep learning, keep watching your English videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.